Welcome to my channel, I'm Shamapti and I'm so happy to see you. And today I have skincare dupe part 3. So if you have not watched these videos already, you might find this to be helpful. I have recommended I think 10 dupes already. So let's start with this video. And first I have 2 mugwort based products. So mugwort is very good for calming down the skin. If your skin barrier has been sacrificed, you need something to heal it, mugwort can help you there. Also if you have dark spots, it can help you to some extent. So I have tried these 2 mugwort based products. First is One Thing mugwort extract. It has I think 95% mugwort extract. Then it has few like texture enhancers, stabilizers and preservative. And then we have I'm from mugwort ampule. So it has I think 85% mugwort extract. With that it has bunch of good ingredients to support skin barrier. If you're looking for some affordable option, One Thing is better. Even the performance wise, I found the One Thing mugwort extract to be very helpful. It is very soothing. The Isntree one, frankly, I didn't see any difference. It doesn't even feel enough hydrating, to be very honest. So I'm not gonna buy the Isntree mugwort ampule again, but I'll definitely buy One Thing mugwort extract for sure because it's very good. I remember my skin was like freaking out. I used this mugwort extract. It worked really well for me. So this mugwort extract, big thumbs up. But this Isntree mugwort ampule, not for me, because I think One Thing has better product and overall it worked better for my skin. That's why. So One Thing mugwort extract is winner here. So next I have 2 soothing gels. So first I have Etude House Soonjang all-in-one soothing gel, and then I have Benton Aloe and Propolis soothing gel. I'm not gonna create any suspense or drama. I'm gonna tell you, Benton one is better. I find this to be more soothing, more hydrating. I like the texture, I like the ingredients of Benton's Aloe Propolis way more than the Etude House one. But if you're looking for something simple without less extract, if you're allergic to aloe, then you might find that Etude House gel to be helpful. Otherwise, I'll tell you go for the Benton one because simply it has better formulation according to me. I feel that, and the texture and everything, it feels better on my skin. So that's why. But this Etude House gel, it has good amount of panthenol. So if your skin likes panthenol more, then you can go for the Etude House one. And summer is coming and I'm sure you're gonna find this gels to be really helpful, and I'm gonna make a video of like my top 10 hydrating gels. And next I have another gel based products actually. So these are aloe gels. Innisfree aloe gel versus this one Aqualogica aloe gel. So the Innisfree one, it doesn't have much aloe gel or aloe extract in it. It has less than 1% aloe because aloe vera, it comes after phenoxyethanol in the formulation. You have mostly glycols and polymers in that formula. So the texture, it felt better and it feels hydrating. I liked it. It didn't react on my skin or anything. It feels nice, it feels hydrating, simple thing. And then I tried this Aqualogica aloe vera, and it has a good amount of aloe vera in it. Also it has coconut water and sodium hyaluronate on it. So if you want an aloe gel with more aloe in it, then go for Aqualogica. But this even Innisfree one, it worked well for me. I mean, these 2 things, I find this to be quite similar on my skin. So you can like go for either of this. But frankly, if you want like your aloe vera gel, like you expect, right, if you're buying one aloe vera gel to have good amount of aloe, then Innisfree is gonna disappoint you because it doesn't have much aloe in it. Both of these gels are fragrance free. It's quite tough for me to choose one. I'll choose Aqualogica because I think it has better ingredients, but frankly both of these worked like same on my skin. So that's the thing. And next I have this famous Clinique Take a Day Off cleansing balm. It's a very good cleansing balm. It emulsifies well, it has very great texture, it removes makeup, sunscreen quite well. the thing is quite expensive. There is this cleansing balm in Rituals, and many people they found this to be dupe of this Clinique Take a Day Off cleansing balm. Personally, I didn't find this to be a dupe because the texture seemed completely different. Ingredients, everything, feel of it, everything seemed different. So no, I won't call In Rituals to be a dupe. Frankly, texture wise, I would prefer Plum cleansing balm over In Rituals one. So yeah, if I have to pick one dupe, I would choose Plum over In Rituals for Clinique. But Plum has fragrance, but it didn't like seem too much for me. The Plum cleansing balm worked really well for me. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna buy the full size of Clinique Take a Day Off balm because the Plum cleansing balm is working well for me. So yeah, that's what. And the last thing I have, I think many of you have been waiting for this, the dupe of Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. So I found this XSY calming cream. See, the Klairs one is people's favorite. I love it. I love the texture and everything, but it's quite thick, you know, and summer is coming, so it might feel heavy for some people. But this XSY calming cream, it has gel texture. The texture is so nice. I think it's gonna be super good for summer. Klairs one is more moisturizing. The XSY, it has more hydrating texture because it has a bunch of humectants, and the Klairs one, it has humectants, but it has more emollients, you know. It is more of an emollient based cream. It has peptides, it has ceramide. So to be very honest, I like this Klairs ingredients list to be better. But when it's the texture and everything, and also summer is coming, I find this XSY Calm Cream is gonna be great for this summer, to be very honest. And it is like cheaper than Klairs one, a little bit cheaper. I hope they give discounts on this. So for summers, I think XSY cream is gonna be good. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon. And part 4 will be up next week. Okay, now see you. Bye bye.